Hi all, welcome to blacktactical.com, presenting the rugged tool storage box. So you can see, made from lightweight plastic. It also comes with a very deep volume if you want to put a lot of things in there, like tools, uh, things that are easy to get bent, like soft darts, or maybe precious stuff that you need to protect against external forces. No problem, you can see. And you just lock up in here. And it also comes with its own holes, you can see here. Now you can put lock if you want to be extra safe. Interested? You can come to our webpage at www.black-tactical.com or come to our address. See you there.